mode.
Thank you so much for taking time out of your morning to attend our webinar on Life Guaranteed, which will cover simplified issue life insurance as well as guarantee issue life insurance. My name is Sandy Vicanti. I'm a supervisor here at IAMS at Producer Services. And again, just want to say thank you so much for taking time out of your morning to attend this great webinar. A few things before we get started. We have a new producer bonus for all of our new agents. So in your first 6 months of getting contracted with us, if you place $100,000 in business, whether that's life, annuity, med sup, a combination of all, you receive a $750 cash bonus, or you can choose from a 2-year subscription to a website and newsletter service. If you decide, heck, I think I'm going to do more than that and place $300,000 in business, you can choose from a $1,500 gift card, a full Social Security program and 3,000-piece postcard mailing, or $2,000 in matching marketing money to help promote your business. If you just soar and, in your first 6 months you do $500,000 of placed business, you can choose from a 4,000-piece mailing and seminar coaching with Dave Pimper, 5,000-piece mailing and seminar coaching with Matt Gill, or you can make your own personal getaway with the Ritz-Carlton Travel Rewards. So for our thank you for writing business in your first 6 months as a new agent, these are the bonuses and gifts that you receive from us. We also offer, and I'm going to get a poll out there while I talk about this, I so strongly suggest all of you check yes or say yes on this. It is a 2-day Life and Annuity Academy. What we will do is send you some additional information about that, and you can if you check yes, and then fill out a registration form and we'll answer any questions. It is an all expense paid trip. We cover airfare, lodging, food, goes over such great information. One coming up is September 14th through the 16th. We go over with our top producers a turnkey seminar systems and how to make seminars just a great part of your business or enhance them. We do large life case marketing. We go over wealth transfer tools, with whether it's private financing or single premium life, current annuity industry threats and trends, especially with this DOL ruling that came down. We also go over indexed annuities and income riders and how they affect annuities on its own. We go over so much information. This is industry recognized in our business. We do a great job on our Life and Annuity Academies. Last one, we had over 500 agents across the United States register. We take between 35 and 40. So I can't strongly suggest enough that you check yes to get more information about our Life and Annuity Academy. And we'll be happy to send that information out to you to see if it's a good fit. So I'm going to wait just a few more seconds there for more people to get their voting in on that poll. We'll go ahead and get that closed and continue. We also have here at IAMS a great creative department. They do such an amazing job. Matt Neal and Adam Bylis here. They can help you with just the basics on, getting a letterhead or building your brand logo, business card, all the way up to radio and television ads. They do print marketing for you. So if you'd like to have any mail pieces with Lee cards to return, newsletters, any custom projects, they can design all of that for you. If you have a website and you need that to maybe get a fresh look on it, or if you don't have a website and need one designed, Matt and Adam will also do that, and then they will also manage that website so you don't have to worry about keeping updated information on there and making sure everything is up to date. Any newsletters you'd like done, a paid search management for your local area so your name pops up on top when they, Google information. Can't stress enough the importance of Adam and Matt and their work here. They've done outstanding work from beginning agents all the way to our top producers. So please give them a call and ask how they can help you. We have a few things for all of our agents here. It's called a referred producer program. So every time that you refer an agent to us and they contract with us, their first contract, you get $50 for each piece of business that they place from the time that they write from us until they get out of the business. Every business that they place piece of business, you will receive 20 basis points on that piece of business written in place by your referral. It is not taken out of anyone's commissions. IAMS pays this direct out of our own pocket, and it's just a big thank you for you as the person who referred that agent. We also have for all of our agents a marketing reimbursement account. We pay and put in that account $200 for each $100,000 of placed business. And you can use that money for any type of business expense, whether it's a website or whether you'd like to use that for Matt and Adam's services, whether it's invoices for paper, seminars, anything like that. So again, for every $100,000 you place with us, we put $200 in marketing reimbursement money for you to have access to. So let's go ahead and get started with Life Guaranteed, and we'll start out with Guaranteed Life Insurance. Gerber is such a well-known name, and they have a great guarantee, very competitive whole life product. Minimum face is $5,000, maximum is $25,000, ages 50 to 80. Absolutely no health questions, no underwriting at all of any kind. It's level for life, so as long as they pay continuously, then they would have coverage. That premium does not go up. It is a graded death benefit, so if your client passes in the first 2 years of having that policy of anything other than an accident, the bennies would receive the premiums back plus an additional 10%. Again, great carrier, A-rated. Can't say enough about Gerber and their guarantee product. Assurity Life has a great product as well. Their non-med term is simplified issue, so there is underwriting with that, just not an exam or lab. So your clients would complete medical questions on an application. The company will run prescription history and MIB codes. Issue amounts for that go all the way up to $350,000 in death benefit. So starts at 50, goes all the way to 350. Issue ages are 18 to 65. Again, there's absolutely no exam, no labs with that. Has wonderful accelerated benefit riders, as well as, your additional riders that are available with cost, such as, a children's rider or a spouse rider or waiver of premium, whichever that may be. They have simplified life. Again, that's more on a graded portion. Simplified life, if you're looking for those lower face amounts on the level ages are 0 to 80, 5,000 to 50,000. Again, that is based on age. For graded and modified, it's ages 40 to 80. For graded death benefit, it's 5 to 35,000, and modified death benefit is 5 to 25,000. So what's great with Assurity, you fill out one app, and if your client gets declined for the simplified life, goes up to 50,000, then Assurity will automatically see if they're able to qualify for the graded or the modified. Again, another A-rated carrier. top company. Can't speak highly enough about them. If you have any clients who want to cover their mortgage, this is a great product to do that with that non-med term. Again, goes up to $350,000 in death benefit to ages 18 to 65. American National is another carrier that has, it's called the Underwriting Express, which is again, no exam, no labs. Goes up to age 65 as well. That death benefit's a little bit lower than Assurity at $250,000. Great company. Again, absolutely no exam, no labs. Medical questions will be asked on the application, as well as prescription history and MIB codes being pulled. The products available for that are whole life. Minimum face for that is 10. The universal life minimum is 25,000. So great way for your client to get permanent life insurance from $25,000 to $250,000 with no exam, no labs. And then their term, which is a minimum of $25,000 as well. Sagicor is a little bit different than what you're going to see with Assurity on their term. Assurity goes up to $350,000 in death benefit. Sagicor goes up to $400,000 in death benefit to age 65. With them, you know, they only go up to a 20-year. There is no 30-year available, but you get that great $400,000 death benefit. Again, no exam, no labs, simplified issue, medical questions, prescription history, MIB codes. They have a great universal life product. Again, goes up to $250,000 in death benefit to age 65. It starts at a preferred rating, and again, all of that is simplified issue, no exam, no labs. Great Western. This is where we're going to switch from simplified issue back to guarantee. So guarantee issue is no matter what, no health questions, doesn't matter what your health is, period. You can apply for coverage no matter your health issue. Minimum face on that is $1,000, goes all the way up to $40,000 in death benefit. So as you can see, it's a higher death benefit than what you see with most guarantee issue life products, and issue ages on that are 40 to 80. Death benefit, if they pass away in the first 2 years, what they get is premiums plus an additional 10%. If they pass away after 2 years, they get 100% of the face amount of that death benefit. And again, that one is guaranteed for life of the insured. They just need to make sure they're paying their premiums, and if they pay those continuous premiums, that death benefit would be guaranteed. So sorry about that. We have Columbian Life. Columbian Life is a little bit lower death benefits, but they have lower issue ages. So with Columbian Life, guarantee issue, again, no exam, no labs, no health questions of any kind whatsoever. Issue ages on that, again, are a lot lower. They're from ages 25 to 75. Issue amounts, let's see, they go up to $10,000 in death benefit. Ages 25 to 49, they start at a minimum of 5,000, goes up to 10. And ages 50 to 75, you can go as low as 2,500 and all the way up to 10,000. So you see with Columbian Life, they start at a lower issue age. However, their death benefits are lower as well. The max death benefit with Columbian Life is $10,000. So this would be a great company for those younger clients who aren't able to get approved for any type of insurance. Same 2-year period where if the client passes away in the first 2 years. With this one, they're going to get premiums back plus 6%. Client dies of an accidental death, of course they'll get the full death benefit. After the 2 years, if the client passes away, and it doesn't matter of what, then they get a full 100% of the death benefit paid out to them. So great company. I would look at Columbian Life. If you're looking at those younger ages, 25 to 40 is where I would suggest you look at Columbian Life for. 25 to 39, and then 40, it's, Great Western, and ages 50 on up, I'd look at Gerber on that. So let's see here. Let's answer some questions. So we have a question, are these policies available in all states? They're available in the majority of the states. It's going to depend on the carrier. I will get in contact with all of you and find out what specific state you may be looking for and let you know what carrier is available in your state for what product. Let's put out while we're asking questions here if anyone would like to get contracted with any of these carriers. If you're already contracted with us and just not contracted with these carriers, just give me a call or email me and let me know, and I'll be more than happy to get that contracting completed for you. Most of you are set up on our paperless contracting system, so again, just an email or a call from you letting us know which carrier, and we'll be happy to do that. For those who are not set up, it is such a simple process. It's 4 pages. You fill that out, circle the carriers you're interested in, and send it back with a copy of your license and all that other great stuff, and we'll go ahead and get you contracted. Let's see if we have any other questions here. So we have a question, are products available in Massachusetts? Yes, they are. And we will go ahead and I can get you some information sent out, and I'll give you a call actually, Paul, and let you know what products are available in Massachusetts. Someone's asking, do they have a voice signature or e-apps available? Absolutely, we do. Several of those carriers do, and we will be more than happy to share that information with you. One of them actually being American National and Assurity, which is great. Any other questions for right now that I can try to answer? I would suggest that you type them out. So one, are any of the products available to someone currently in a skilled nursing facility? The guarantee issue products are, so Great Western, Gerber, Columbian Life, those would be the products that would be available dependent on state and age. Again, that does not matter if they're in hospice. You just have to keep in mind that if they pass in the first 24 months, then premiums plus an additional up to 10% is paid back. The death benefit will not be paid in the first 24 months. So question on who has the best rate for guarantee for 10,000. That's going to be dependent upon how old the client is. If the client's under 40, I would suggest that you if the client is under just for 10,000 and they're looking for that, I would suggest you look at Gerber. Gerber's a great product to take a look at. If they're 50 to 80, if they're under 50, then I suggest we look at Great Western for that. Any other questions at all? So all of you will be getting this webinar in a recorded version later on this afternoon. So if you forget something, don't worry about that. You will have this webinar to fall back on. You can also just email me or give me a call. Again, it's Sandy at 800-255-5055. I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions in regards to this. We do smoker rates we have a universal rate, just to let you know, on our guarantee products. Smoker rates do come into play on our simplified issue. So any additional questions, please just give me a call. Again, Sandy with Insurance Agency Marketing, 800-255-5055. And all of you just have such a great week, and thank you so much for allowing me to talk about our great simplified and guarantee issue life products. Thank you.